Hi and welcome to another episode. Today we're going to quickly show you how to create a database so you can have this Acme database, which is going to be a fictitious database that we create just for practice purposes. I'm going to show you how to actually create a table, and we're all going to do this programmatically. We're not going to right click and create table or anything like that. We're actually going to just type in all the code so you guys can learn exactly what's involved into creating a table so that you can actually read this. If you have to go to a bigger database that has a lot more information, you'll know exactly what you're combing through. And then also how to create each one of these columns. As you can see, we have the columns here. So we have a customer ID, first name, salary, city, age. And again, it may be a little bit different by the time we get to it, but I just want to teach you the basic concepts. And right here, we're going to do an identity column where it increments by one number each time. So as you add a new record, it'll go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you happen to delete record number 8, when you add a new record, it'll automatically become number 9. And then we'll just show you how to put information into the fields, how to put the proper type, and learning your types and knowing which type is important. So as you can see, we have an int, a varchar, we have the number 50 over here. So I'm going to teach you what all this means and what this null means. And we're going to go through that step by step. So hope you enjoy this episode, and we'll see you.